Hey, what's good? Paul here from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. First and foremost, I want to thank you for checking this video out. Now, today we are hitting the Goodwill bins, and we are searching for some cool vintage t-shirts, some band tees, Y2K skater, all that good stuff, some cool graphic t-shirts if you find them. And yeah, first we're going to be picking through the bins. You can skip to the sections here, and next at the end of the video we'll show you what we got. Try to find some cool stuff to flip for a profit. All right, see you at the bins. We are back from the Goodwill bins. Just sorted out what I got. I got some heat, guys. This was one of my better trips. Got some good value out of it. Starting off with the band tees, my bread and butter. Nice Nirvana. Queen. 6 Snoop Dogg Death Row Record shirt. That is sick. I like that one. This is my first Slayer shirt. I am very excited about that one. Sick graphic on that, as well as the tie-dye all over. Phil Collins. Nice Def Leppard piece. Johnny Cash. Yeah, I went crazy, guys, today. On the Russell Cardinals tee. A little bit fading on the back, but that's fine. Genesee Beer Company. No, Pac-Man Essential there. Hey Arnold in the graffiti 90s style. This Marvel piece. POWMIA. E Entertainment shirt. And the Gildan. Adidas. Nice crazy print there. Liquid Death. Sick back hit on that one. Jurassic Park classic. Double Time Jurassic Park. Mario. Elliott Racing Tee. The Full Send Nelk Boys tank top. ×2. Somebody was in the Full Send because we got a few of them this trip. Another Full Send. Steve will do it. The big back hit there. Nice Champion tee. Riot Society tee. This little essential piece there. Atlanta Pistol Pete. Nice vintage Walt Disney. Sick Y2K skull type affliction hoodie. Got the nice all over print Volcom hoodie. The nice gold zipper. Nice touch there. Got the Quicksilver hoodie. Got a Labatt Blue Beer hoodie. And another Full Send and Elk Boys collab with Real Tree. Sick piece. So yeah. That was our haul for today. I definitely cooked. Can't wait to post these on for sale. Flip them for some profit. If you're interested in these or anything like this, check out my online shop in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you felt this brought some value to you. Make sure to hit that bell notification because I got tons more videos coming up. I'm starting this channel fresh and new, sharing my journey of making a thrifting to a hobby into a full-time career. So yeah, this is Paul from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Peace.